Are you tired of lugging around heavy camping gear every time you go on a trip? Minimalist camping might be for you. In this video, we will teach you the basics of minimalist camping, from gear selection to campsite setup. The key to minimalist camping is to select the right gear that is both lightweight and functional. Look for high-quality and durable gear that can withstand the elements. A lightweight backpack, a compact tent, and multifunctional tools are all great examples of minimalist camping gear. Make sure to pack your gear efficiently. Bring only what you need and pack it in a way that saves space. Some tips for efficient packing include rolling your clothes instead of folding them and using compression bags to condense your gear. When setting up your minimalist campsite, focus on function over aesthetics. Find a level and dry spot to pitch your tent and set up your sleeping bag. If you want to have a campfire, make sure you follow all fire safety guidelines and leave no trace behind. By following these basic tips, you can start your minimalist camping journey with confidence. Remember to keep it simple and only bring what you need so you can fully enjoy your time in nature. Happy camping!